Hello children, hope you all are good. Today we are going to start chapter 7, formatting presentation. In previous chapter you have learned about presentation. Presentation is defined as a collection of slides. And what is slide? Slide is single page in the presentation. In this chapter you will learn about formatting a presentation. It's referred to changing its appearance as per our own desire. Formatting can be done in a PowerPoint presentation by changing the alignment, font size, color, and other things. And all these information are stored in the place called Slide Master in MS PowerPoint. And the next topic is alignment. Alignment refers to where and how the text lines up. And by default setting is left alignment. There are two types of alignments in MS PowerPoint. Vertical alignment, that is, the text where refers to the top or bottom margin of the text box. Horizontal alignments, that is, the text where reference to the left and right margins of the text box. Like align text left, center align text right, justify align. Now in the next topic you will learn how to add pictures from file. For adding the picture from file, first you will click on the Insert tab from the ribbon and then click on Pictures in the image group to display the Insert Picture dialog box. Whatever picture you want to choose from the dialog box, you will select this and then choose the picture by navigating in the computer to the dialog box. After you will click on the Insert. Otherwise, double click on the picture or twice click on the picture. And you can follow given steps to rotate the object. For rotating, you will click on the object to select it, then click on Format tab. After that, clicking on Rotate button. A list of rotation options will appear. There you will choose any option and then click on Rotate. Rotate right 90 degree, rotate left, flip vertical, flip horizontal. Now the last topic of the chapter, that is adding bullets and numbers. In order to make a list, bullets are added in the beginning. Bulleted are numbered list organized the items in a regular manner. To add bullets, you can follow the following simple steps, that is, you will click on the Home tab, then click on the bullets drop down arrow. In the paragraph group you will get it. Then select the type of bullet you want to insert. You can customize the bullet also, and at last bullets will be applied. Same as you will do with numbers. You will click on the Home tab again, then go to the number drop down arrow. In the paragraph group, select the type of numbering you want to insert, then numbering will applied. Thank you children and keep learning.